Hey, what's up guys, it's Junqin here, and today I'm going to review an earphone that is special made for all the FPS gamers out there. No matter which console are you in, no matter which platform are you in, it is compatible for Nintendo Switch, Xbox One, PS4, PC, mobile, or any console that supports earphones and is special made for all the PUBG gamers. Today we have Plextone G25. So long story short, let's unbox this. Plextone G25, a bullet design earphones. Inside the box they have one pair of earphones, of course, 3 pair of ear tips, 1 user manual, 1 warranty card, 1 3.5mm extension cable, and 1 audio splitter cable. They call this the black gaming tuner. I don't think you see this yet in the past headset or earphones. So what this gadget can do is it can accurately improve the mid-frequency range for the gunshot. And there's another tuner too, but this is the red one. So this red tuner can improve the in-game footsteps frequency range. Now you can see this earphone is really special made for PUBG gamers. Now begin with the mic test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it goes back to my camera external mic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Goes back to the Plextone G25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, now let's begin with the audio quality test. Here's where you can control the volume and also the microphone noise cancelling button. This 3.5mm L-shaped earphone jack is to let your hand to have a better and more comfortable hand position while you are gaming with your smartphones. It's compatible to use in PS4, Xbox, PC, laptop, smartphone, and even Nintendo Switch. And that's review for the Plextone G25 gaming earphones. Let me know if you have any comments or any questions about these earphones, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. It's Junqin here. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.